Lead gen's been
Yeah.
good. We've been doing over 1 million a month consistently in revenue.
Yeah.
And just the lead gen model overall is a great business model. Um, I'm not like downing e-commerce, but for guys who are in e-commerce and struggling, or just for guys looking at what to do when we first get started online, like I think lead gen is the model to follow.
I agree because with like and I know this firsthand, man. Like when you're doing drop shipping or e-com, I guess let's just call it drop shipping because that's what most people go into. You have to test so many products and
Mm,
you have to test so many creatives, right? So I feel like there's so many variables when you're first getting started because you don't know if that product works. You don't know if that angle of how you're selling that product works,
totally.
and you don't know if your ad's the issue. So I think with lead gen, what's great is you're already testing offers that you know work because the affiliate networks, they're running them on the back end, either email or other Facebook advertisers or native
Hmm.
advertisers or Google or whatever. Is Google native? Is Google considered native? They're,
Google Display now.
yeah, it's its own thing, right? So
It's similar,
they,
honestly, and Google probably
yeah,
buys a lot of the native spots, but
yeah. So I think like they know their numbers really well. The owners of these offers are always dialing them in, like they're always making tweaks and stuff just to make them better because the cheaper that they can get a lead, the more leads they get and the more traffic that their advertisers run. So
totally.
you kind of you all you have to do is ask your affiliate manager whoever you're working with and just be like, hey, what's working well, can you confirm like these are your top performers, so on and so forth. And then you just have to focus on your ads, man. You just have to focus on your craft, make sure
Totally.
that you're the best at it. And if your campaign's not converting, that's because you suck. Like that's because your
Yeah.
ads suck.